Cool, so we're going to move forward now and insert data. And if I need to remind myself, which in all honesty I do, I'm thinking it's insert into customers, and then I'm going to just go for it, see if I can get it. Insert into customers, and now you need to insert values. Oh, values, right? And what else could I do here? I could also specify the fields customer ID and customer first, but I didn't capitalize it, or it made them not capitalize. I think it makes them not. Values, insert into customer values, right? That's pretty like English-like. It's not rocket science. So I'm inserting into customer values, and now I just need to insert. And if I have another one, it's like this. I'm pretty sure that's the syntax. I don't know Miss Moneypenny's first name. I'm going to go with Jennifer. Who else is in James Bond books? Q. And then semicolon. Boom. Error. James does not exist. Insert into customers. Column James does not exist. Insert into customers, customer ID, customer first, values, 1, James, 2, Jennifer, 3, Q. I think I need to use single quotes. I think that's my error. So let's fix that and see if that works. I don't think double quotes work in P-SQL. Postgres. I called it P-SQL. I don't think there is anything P-SQL in Postgres. Let's try again. Bam. Sweet. Now how do I see these records? Well, that's the homework assignment I was working to. I need to pull all of the data from a single field in a table. Pull all of the data from a single field using the keyword select and from. So select customer first from customers. There we go. And then I'd take a screenshot of this. Listen, you ready? That's how you do it in a Mac. On Windows, you launch snipping tool. I'd take a screenshot of that, and then I'd go to the assignment, and I'd submit, and I'd upload that screenshot. Okay. All right? I can see, okay, I asked you to do select from and pull one row. Make sure that you follow instructions. Another thing that gets you fired from jobs. You got to make sure you pay attention to the details and give exactly what was asked for. And then also, once you've done that, also provide additional insight if possible. But I need to select all of the data from a single field. So if I see two fields, incorrect answer.
The submit form is looking for text entry, not a file.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, I got an error.
So I need to change that. Thank you. So I'll do a file upload. There we go. Oh, since some people have already submitted work, I need to keep it the same on that one. So just do a file upload. Thanks. All right, so that's your next step. Do it.